Hello friends, I am Dr. Tanaji Bangar, Chinchor. Today we will discuss about the Omicron, which is a quite large discussed topic in the healthcare sector nowadays. We have been aware that on 24 November 2021, recently the Omicron virus has been found in the South Africa and has been reported to the WHO, World Health Organization. But already it has been spread to the some countries in the world like Hong Kong, China, some European countries like Israel or Belgium. But it is a quite good thing that we are still safe from this virus, and USA, United States of America, has been also safe from this virus. But we have to restrict its entry in India. For that we need to take some preventive steps, and we have to follow some self-discipline, because we have already learned quite a lot from the first and second wave of COVID-19 in last 1.5 years. So we don't want to put a trouble in healthcare sector, and obviously in the global and Indian economy. So what the symptoms we have, because it is a virus, mysterious virus we can say, and the data is quite not that much available from the WHO or any health agency, and WHO scientists are working, some WHO scientists are also working on this virus, but it will take some few weeks to get the data. Till date we need to take the precautions, and at this moment it will be better to say that it is a storm in the cup of tea, because the data is not that much clear, and it will take some more days to get the data about its transmission, its impact, and its morbidity rates. So we have to prevent at this moment, because I think it is not found, not a single patient is found in the India, and even Indian government has restricted some travel restrictions from the international travels from some countries like South Africa and from Hong Kong, China. So what the symptoms patient may feel when he gets infected? So some common symptoms like a viral illness, like tiredness or weakness, and dry cough, mild fever, you get a mild fever, or sometimes throat irritation you may find, mild fever you get. So all the viral symptoms you may find also in this weakness, in this infection. But I think what the solution we have to give there, the solution is the again and again vaccination, because we have to implement the vaccination drive very effectively, and we have to reach to the grassroots population to make the vaccination a successful drive, because it will prevent the deaths, it will prevent the comorbidities, and so many impact on the economy. So again, apart from vaccination, what already we have followed the discipline, or we have followed the things in the first and second drive, like social distancing. When we need to follow social distancing, we need to follow the frequent hand wash with the sanitizer, as well as with the hand wash. We need to follow, we need to wear the scientific mask that will prevent its entry, as well as we need to take some nutritious diet, which is quite good in the vitamins and minerals. We need to do the regular exercise, and at the same time we need to keep the open ventilation rather than the compact and air conditioner on environment that will keep the virus quite away from us. So we need to keep the open ventilation, at least in public open spaces, so we can prevent these things. And till the data comes, we need to be very careful and to save our country. Thank you so much.